Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Dharani BN. I am presently graduating in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. I am from CSC department and today I am going to discuss Marco analysis. First, introduction to Marco analysis. Marco analysis is a statistical technique used to model systems that transition from one state to another. It is based on the Marco property, which states that the future state depends only on the current state, not on the past states. This approach is widely used in various fields, including finance, economics, and operation research. Next, key concepts of Marco analysis. A Marco process consists of states and transition probabilities between these states. The concept of memorylessness implies that past states do not influence future states. This can be mathematically represented using transition matrices. Types of Marco process. There are two primary types of Marco process, discrete time and continuous time. Discrete time Marco chains transition at fixed intervals, while continuous time allows for transitions at any moment. Each has its own applications depending on modeling requirements. Next, transition matrices. Transition matrices are used to describe the probabilities of moving from one state to another. Each entry in the matrices indicates the probability of transitioning from state I to state J. The sum of each row in the transition matrix must equal 1. State space. The state space is the set of all possible states in a Marco process. It can be finite, continuable, infinite, or uncontainable, infinite. Understanding the state space is crucial for designing and analyzing Marco models. Marco chain properties. Marco chain have properties such as irreducibility and unpredictability. An irreducible Marco chain means it is possible to reach any state from any state. Aperiodicity indicates that the process does not get trapped in cycles. Observing states. An observing state is one that once entered cannot be left. In practical applications, this state significance scenarios such as completion or failure. Understanding observing states helps in analyzing long-term behavior. Applications in business. Marco analysis is widely used in customer behavior modeling and retail strategies. Business can predict customer transition through different stages of engagement. This helps in optimizing marketing strategies and enhancing customer satisfaction. Applications in finance. In finance, Marco models can be used to assess credit risk and investment strategies. They allow analysts to model the likelihood of default based on current economic states. This aids in making informed investment decisions. Applications in operations research. Marco analysis is essential in optimizing inventory management and resource allocation. It helps in modeling the flow of products through various stages in a supply chain. This leads to more efficient operations and reduced costs. Marco decision process. We can call it as MDPS. MDPS are an extension of Marco process that include decision making capabilities. They consist of states, action, rewards, and transition probabilities. MDPS are useful in reinforcement, learning, and optimal policy development. Solving Marco models. Solving Marco models typically involves finding steady state distributions. This can be achieved through mathematical techniques such as matrix, algebra, or iterative methods. Understanding the steady state behavior is crucial for long term predictions. Limitations of Markov analysis. Markov analysis assumes that future states depends only on the current state, which may not hold true in all cases. It may not capture complex dependencies present in real world scenarios. Therefore, careful consideration is needed when applying Markov models. Simulation techniques. Simulation is often used to analyze complex Markov processes that are difficult to solve analytically. Techniques like Monte Carlo simulations can provide insights into the behavior of Markov models. This approach allows for the exploration of various scenarios and outcomes. Case study: weather predictions. Markov analysis can be effectively applied to model weather pattern over time. By defining states such as sunny, rainy or cloudy, transitions can be predicted based on historical data. This provides valuable information for planning and resource management. Finally, case study: PageRank algorithm. Google's PageRank algorithm is based on Markov chains to rank web pages. It models the internet as a Markov process where web pages are states and link or transitions. This innovative application demonstrates the versatility of Markov analysis. Software tools for Markov analysis. Various software tools are available for conducting Markov analysis, including R, Python and MATLAB. These tools offer libraries and functions specifically designed for Markov modeling. Utilizing software makes it easier to implement and visualize complex Markov process. Future trends in Markov analysis. The integration of Markov analysis with machine learning techniques is gaining traction. This can enhance predictive capabilities by modeling more complex behaviors. Future research may also focus on improving the efficiency of solving large scale Markov models. Summary of key points. Markov analysis provides a powerful framework for modeling stochastic process. It has wide-ranging applications across various industries from finance to healthcare. Understanding its principles or limitations is essential for effective implementation. Questions and discussions. Thank you for your attention. I will welcome any questions. Let's discuss how Markov analysis can be applied in your specific area of interest. Your insights and experiences are valuable for understanding the practical implications of the analysis. Feel free to modify any question or let me know if you need additional information. Thank you for your attention and thank you for watching. Please subscribe.